Hi friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you made it to part 2 of my entryway makeover. In part 2, I'm going to show you how I painted my banister, the bench, and the board and batten wall. I also made a bench cushion from scratch here. That was my first time using a sewing machine, so that was a very fun learning process. You can also watch my shoe cabinet debacle, and lesson learned here to always measure the thing you need to store and make sure it fits the item that you're buying to store it in. So I want to show you my progress and how I got here, so I hope you enjoy the video. I am so excited because I feel like we're more than 90% of the way there. It's been a couple of days of just constant sanding, priming, and painting, but at least the little bench area and the stair case is done. So the only thing I have left to do now is to paint this wall, put up the mirror, bring over the shoe cabinets, and finish up with the bench cushions, and then I think we are gonna be done. So I'm really excited. This has been really nerve-wracking for me to start this, especially painting something in black, but it's looking great and I can't wait to show it to you.
I need to give a huge thank you to my friends Jess and Louise for letting me borrow their sewing machine. Because the size of the bench is long and narrow, I looked up and it was going to cost me a little over $200 to get a custom bench cushion. So I decided I'm just going to sew one and save a lot of money that way. I purchased the fabric and any other materials I needed at Joann's. For the cushion foam that goes inside, I purchased that off of Amazon. I can link it down in the description below. I want to say altogether this probably cost me less than $60 to make. I found these peel and stick wallpaper on Amazon and thought it was a cute way to add some color and texture to the cabinets. And also, this is a great way to keep the cabinets clean from all the dirty shoes that we'll be putting in here. In hindsight, I should have grabbed the shoes from the garage and took them all in to make sure that the shoes fit the cabinets. Or even better yet, I should have measured the shoes and figured out the dimensions of the cabinets before I purchased them. As you can see here, these cabinets fit my size 7 perfectly. Unfortunately, the cabinets isn't just for me, and they do not fit a men's shoe size. Thankfully, after a quick internet search, I was able to find an IKEA shoe cabinet that is very similar to the one I've been waiting for over a year now. So I have been trying to buy the hemness or stall shoe cabinets for about a year, and I think because of the pandemic, they've been sold out. And at this point, probably indefinitely. But I was able to find another version that is similar called the Bisa shoe cabinets. Instead of the 4 compartments that the hemness and stall comes in, the Bisa comes in 2 compartments, and it's for a third of the price. So I'm not complaining. I ended up buying 3 of the Bisa cabinets. It was such a relief to see that the IKEA shoe cabinets can fit our shoes perfectly. Though I did make sure to read the reviews, and I saw someone said that they were able to fit a men's size 13 shoes. So I think we're safe there.
I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm not quite sure if I'm done yet. I think I may want to go in and add a little bit more to the entryway, like maybe a wooden long piece of plywood to connect the three cabinets together. I'm still debating on that, so who knows. Personally, this has been, I think, a huge step for me because I've been thinking about this entryway makeover for about a year now, and it took me just that long to really get over that hurdle and get it started, and I'm really happy that I did. And now that this is done, I have a long list of projects that I think I want to start working on next. So I think this really jumpstart my passion for getting things done, just check off that list and move on to the next one. So I hope you stay tuned for my next videos. There's going to be a lot more projects to come. So thank you once again for watching. Paw? Good girl. Other paw? Good girl. Okay, high five. Yeah. Okay, bye.